Jai Hind everyone, my name is Shailja Malia. I am from class 7th. Today we are celebrating Doctor's Day. In this context, I am presenting a small video representing the innumerable sacrifices done by our superheroes. For these people, there is no such life. An hour of duty, they are on call 24 hours. And their gift for this is a smile. Their hard labors brings on the faces of the people. They know no family. For them, the patients are their family. They have no time for celebration. Their celebrations come with the saving of a patient's life. In the extreme situation, they hold the situation, they manage their feelings and with a smile. Behind every life saved, there is a tireless effort of a doctor. Let us all take a few moments and express our gratitude to our superheroes. Happy Doctor's Day to all the doctors. Thank you.
Jai Hind. I am Agrima Gupta of class 8B. I am going to tell about occasion of Doctor's Day. The doctor is a god from the human being to save their life. It is the duty of the doctor on the earth to cure the patient. In India, National Doctor's Day is celebrated on 1st of July on the birth anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He served as the second Chief Minister of West Bengal and highly respected doctor, philanthropist and politician. National Doctors' Day is observed to honor the profession of doctors and their contribution to health
Jai
and
Hind
welfare.
everyone. I am Utkarsh Singh of class 8th B and I am here to tell you about Doctors' Day. National Doctors' Day is celebrated on 1st July every year. This day is actually celebrated in India to honor one of the greatest physicians, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was also the second Chief Minister of West Bengal and he had made numerous contributions to the field. He was born on this day in 1882 in Bankipur district of Patna in Bihar and also died on the same day in 1962 at the age of 80 years. On February 4, 1961, he was honored with the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Doctors are said to be the second god, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic. They are doctors only who stay away from their families and help the COVID patients recover. Doctors' Day celebration is truly an attempt to accumulate their importance and to show our gratitude by commemorating one of their greatest representatives. I salute the doctors of my country because their work saves many precious lives. We are thankful to them. I once again thank you them. Thank you.
Good morning, respected head ma'am, head sir, principal ma'am, and my dear friends. Myself Pratik Raj of class 8B. Today I am here to present a speech on Doctors Day. First of all, a happy Doctors Day to all the amazing doctors who play an important role in our society. Friends, 1st July is celebrated as Doctors Day in India. This day is actually celebrated in India to honor our one of the great physician, Dr. Bidan Chandra Roy. He was also the second Chief Minister of West Bengal and had made numerous contributions to the field. He was born on this day and also died on the same day in 1962 at the age of 80 years. He was also honored with India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Friends, it is really said we can't see God, but on the earth, doctors are like a God who cures us and gives us life to live in a better way. And during this COVID-19 pandemic time, many doctors lost their life, but still the doctors are curing us without thinking about their life. Friends, this day provides us an opportunity to thank doctors that they do for the society. Doctors, I thank you from my deep of my heart for this your hard work and support during this pandemic time. Thank you and have a nice day.
They mean a lot to us. They risk their life for us in the pandemic. They protect us from this and much more. Can you guess who are they? Yes, they are our doctors. Hello everyone. Today I, Devita Singh of class 8B, am going to give a speech on the topic Doctors Day. Firstly, I want to thank to all the amazing and great doctors who protect us from every difficult times, who are the hero for the world. This day is celebrated in the honor of our physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was born on the same day in the year 1882 and died on the same date but in the year 1962 at the age of 80 years. He was also awarded by Bharat Ratna. Every person needs a doctor in his life, but the need of doctor can only be understood by a person who is suffering between his life and death. He sees a hero, a god in a doctor. So it is our responsibility to thank our doctors and nurses.
Everyone, of class 8B. Today, I am here to deliver a speech on Doctors Day. Doctors Day is observed annually on 1st of July to recognize the contribution of our doctors. At the time of the pandemic, our doctors and healthcare staffs were acting as a shield during the battle. This day provides us opportunity to thank our doctors. No doubt our doctors have done a great
Hello
job.
everyone, I am Devan Singh of class 6B and I am going to present a poem on the topic Doctors Day. Happy Doctors Day, O physicians, O let the red carnations remind the global nations of a flag growing everywhere. The doctor rare and beyond compare. The doctors help to heal the wounds. He toils the patient duty bound. He cares for sick and frees their pains and tries the best to be human. He is your friend when alignments strike. He comforts whether you like dislike. He gives you life worth living, like seat belts, helmets while driving. Thank you.
Roy. A doctor has to work around clock with on holiday. They put their leave to risk to help
Hello
women.
everyone, I am Alok. I am going to recite a poem for Doctor's Day. Every day I lie awake and every day I lie abed and hear the doctor's pain and death concurring on my head. They speak in scientific tone, professional and low. One argues for a speedy cure, the other sure and low.